you want to know how to make this? I'll show you how when you watch this video. Hi guys, welcome back to Rhys's Playtime. And today we're going to show you how to do a mouth talking thing where you pull the paper up and it shows his mouth. I know I haven't been here for a while. That's because there was a lot of stuff happening. So let's get into it. So first you fold right here. And then, now that it's like this, you start to fold it like this. And here's the fun part. Now it goes like this. And then you can get whatever kind of marker, pencil, or crayon you want and draw a face. I'm gonna do my face. You guys can follow along if you want. You know why I was doing this? It was because there was my cat. And then I'm gonna just add some eyes. Add a mouth. I'm not adding a nose because it'll look kind of stupid. And then you can open up the mouth and make whatever you want. You just make lines over here. You can draw whatever you want. I'm just gonna make a normal one. That's gonna be the back. This is the tongue. Guys, remember to put a tiny line in the middle of your tongues, because that's what they look like. And I'm gonna draw a little apple here. And then you're done. You could do coloring if you want, but since I don't have that much color and stuff, I can't really do it this time. But remember to hit the bell notifications and the like button to see more of my videos. Bye!